This is the brief on recent automotive industry developments. Today, we are looking at three major global automotive investments and partnerships involving companies expanding their manufacturing and technological footprints. First, what's next for vehicle production in Europe? On July 23rd, Ford Motor and Geely Automobile Holdings agreed to establish a Valencia, Spain joint venture with operations starting in early 2027. By sharing a 500,000 vehicle annual capacity, Ford Motor and Geely Automobile Holdings improve capacity utilization, lower costs, and create jobs. Production includes the Ford Kuga, a new rugged compact SUV in the Ford Bronco family, a jointly developed Ford-branded crossover, and Geely Automobile Holdings' first of two planned new energy vehicle models. Second, how are Horizon Robotics and Volkswagen Group developing automated driving systems? Horizon Robotics and Volkswagen Group are expanding their AI collaboration through Horizon, a joint venture with Volkswagen Group software company CARIAD. Using a white box licensing model, Horizon will develop a unified AI driving solution for Volkswagen Group China. This system uses Horizon Robotics' AI Foundation Model technology, the C7H system on chip, and the Gaia World Model Data Platform. It supports Level 3 and Level 4 automated driving for passenger vehicles and robotaxis integrated with Volkswagen Group's China electronic architecture. Finally, where will the physical components for these systems come from? On July 22, 2026, Rosenberger held a handover ceremony for a new $100 million smart factory in Changzhou. Production at this Industry 4.0 facility begins in the fourth quarter of 2026. As Rosenberger's largest Asia-Pacific base, it will produce 170 million connectors and 60 million cable assemblies annually. Products include automotive connectors, cable assemblies, and fiber optic products for AI data centers.